Hey beautiful! We all make makeup mistakes from time to time. But don't worry, we're here to guide you. Welcome to our Glammiverse, the ultimate beauty destination for beauty tips, tricks and black beauty inspiration. In this video, we'll highlight common makeup blunders and provide you with expert tips and tricks to transform your makeup game. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong foundation shade that doesn't match your skin tone. To avoid this mistake, swatch foundation shades on your jawline or inner wrist to find a match. Seek assistance from beauty professionals at makeup counters who can help determine your undertone and suggest suitable shades. Mistake 2. Filling in or drawing on eyebrows in an exaggerated or unnatural way. Aim for natural-looking eyebrows by using light, feathery strokes to fill in sparse areas. Follow the natural shape of your brows and use a spoolie brush to blend the product for a softer finish. Consider using eyebrow pencils or powders that closely match your hair color. Mistake 3. Applying mascara in a way that creates clumps and makes the lashes look uneven or spiky. To avoid clumpy mascara, wipe off excess product from the mascara once before application. Use a zigzag motion to coat the lashes evenly, starting from the base to the tips. Consider using a lash comb or clean spoolie brush to separate the lashes if clumps occur. Mistake 4. Applying blush in a heavy or uneven manner, resulting in a harsh and unnatural appearance. Apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and blend it outward towards the temples for a natural flush. Use a light hand and build the color gradually to achieve a subtle and flattering effect. Opt for blush shades that complement your skin tone, such as soft pinks, peachy tones, or warm mauves. Mistake 5. Lipstick bleeding or feathering outside the lip lining, creating an untidy look. To prevent lipstick bleeding, use a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade to outline and fill in your lips. This creates a barrier and helps the lipstick stay in place. Consider using a lip primer or applying a thin layer of foundation or concealer around the lips before lipstick application. Opt for long-lasting or matte formulas that have better staying power. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video incredibly valuable. If you did, show us some love with a thumbs up. Remember to steer clear of these common mistakes. We love to have you join our beauty community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.